In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete hierarchy in Power BI Desktop. If you've ever created a hierarchy and later realized you don't need it, or it's causing confusion in your model, removing it is quick and straightforward. Before we start, a quick note on what a hierarchy is. It's a structured grouping of fields, like year, quarter, month, and day, that lets you drill down easily in visuals. Deleting a hierarchy does not delete the underlying columns. It only removes that grouped structure from your model. First, make sure you can see your data pane. This is typically on the right side of Power BI Desktop and lists your tables, columns, measures, and any hierarchies you've created. If the pane is collapsed or hidden, expand it so you can view the full list of objects in your model. You'll recognize hierarchies by their special icon and the way they expand to show the levels inside them. Next, find the hierarchy you want to remove. Click it once to highlight it so you're sure you're selecting the hierarchy itself and not one of its individual fields. Then, right-click the hierarchy and choose Delete from Model. If Power BI asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. That's all you need to do. The hierarchy is now removed from your data model. A few helpful tips while you do this. Deleting a hierarchy only affects the grouping. It does not remove any tables or columns, so your data stays intact. However, if any visuals were using that hierarchy for drill down, they may lose that structured navigation. You can still rebuild the visual by adding the fields individually, but the prepackaged drill path will be gone. If you change your mind immediately after deleting, you can usually use undo to reverse the action, as long as you haven't closed the file. It's also a good practice to save your report before making structural changes, or use Save As to create a backup version, especially if you're cleaning up a complex model. Finally, remember that names and structure matter for clarity. If you're cleaning up your model to make it easier to use, consider reviewing the remaining tables, fields, and measures so your team can quickly find what they need. A tidy model makes building visuals faster and reduces mistakes. And that's it. You expanded the data pane, selected the hierarchy, and deleted it from the model. Simple, safe, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.